What's up guys, Tim with Kitchen and Craft. Today is the day that I announced the winner to the Ooni Pro Pizza Oven giveaway. We're finally here. It's been a long road actually, about a month and a half. You know, the weather has not cooperated entirely. As you can see, it's kind of crappy here today, and I've got the cover on my Ooni, and it's been like that on and off for the past month and a half, and it's delayed things, so I apologize, but we're finally here. There's a few things I wanted to say before I open this envelope. First is a big thank you to Ooni for partnering on this video series and the giveaway. You guys are awesome. You make a great product. I really enjoyed, I loved working and cooking with this oven. It's just fantastic. So I really appreciate your support, and thank you again. Also, a huge thank you to my subscribers and viewers that participated in the giveaway. You guys are awesome. I hope you enjoyed the series, and this channel, Kitchen and Craft, wouldn't be anything without you guys. So thank you so much for your support. And finally, I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm gonna step away from YouTube for a few weeks. That's it. Nothing permanent, nothing long-term, just a few weeks. You know, working my normal 9 to 5 and then coming home after work and on the weekends, you know, creating content for Kitchen and Craft. It's created some incredibly long hours for me, and I just haven't had a chance to spend quality, uninterrupted time with my family. So I'm gonna do that. Hope you guys don't mind. You can always follow me on Instagram. I will leave my handle in the community section on the channel here. And I think that's it. Let's get to the winner. How about that? All right, here we go. The winner of the Ooni Pro Pizza Oven and perforated pizza peel is John Morris. John Morris, congratulations, buddy. You just won a pretty sweet oven. Ooni's going to drop ship that to you directly, so when I get your information, I'm gonna forward it onto them, and they will take care of you. Really, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you share with me some of the stuff that you've created in your oven. I'd really like to see that, and I hope you stick around for some more videos coming up here. All right, thanks guys, thanks so much. Thanks for watching, love you all, later.